Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect second skin bodysuit that works beautifully with jeans, skirts, overalls, anything, anytime, the item to have, look no further. PUMIEY's second skin bodysuit is perfect. I have been on the hunt for a bodysuit, and as soon as I got this, I was just in love. So this bodysuit, I'm a 5'6", I'm a size medium. I got it in a medium. It is no show through. It works perfectly with jeans, and bodysuits are great because you don't have to worry about them coming up and coming untucked. They are very flattering, as you can see. It just looks so nice. I wore it under a dress that I needed some extra warmth and coverage with. Perfect under the dress, stayed soft and comfy all day long. I like several things about it. First of all, the material is that second skin. It's buttery soft. In fact, when I was wearing this, my friends were like, wow, you are so soft. And I had to tell them it's my new bodysuit. But I like that there's extra fabric here, which I feel like just looks really, really nice. Having a little bit of a bunch here instead of just straight. This is what we're going for. It's a crew neck, so it's nice and high, gives you good coverage. You don't have to worry about that. It hits just perfectly. This color is the Ormosa, and it's that really pretty pinky mauvey nude color that is just like my favorite thing. Like I said, it looks great under skirt, jeans, anything. So if you're looking for the perfect bodysuit to wear anytime, anywhere, any place, this is it. But that's just my point of view.